Hi everyone, I'm showing my Wiki project. So this is the home page. Uh, I made some changes to the fonts, to the general look and feel, made it a little bit more pretty. Use the bootstrap uh, at all the places. I've used some logos. I've used the list, different kind of list over here. So that's it. Uh, so the first thing you'll see is the search. You see I'm searching with P. I'm able to see Python. If I search with a S, you can see CSS. Search with a G, you can see Django and Git. On clicking on that, it goes to the page. Same thing here. If I click on Git, I reached Git. Let's try and create a new one. Creating JavaScript. Uh, So I'm using the Markdown language here, just a few examples. JavaScript is a front-end and back-end technology these days. That's very useful. Once I create it, goes to the JavaScript page and it shows the content that I had entered. Uh, we can use the edit function to make some changes if we want to. That's in the list here. So just for knowing that it's even it. So if I made some changes, I don't really want those, I can cancel. This is one addition I have done. And the next part will be the random page. We can click on random page. It will go to a random page from the list. Okay, let's say I try to uh, enter some wrong URL, like there's no Jeep, this it will show the error. And uh, let's say I'm trying to create something which is already present. So let's have a click. Page already exists with the given title. Again, slightly have used these dangers and warnings from Bootstrap. One more thing, like if I want to delete this, I have put the delete function as well. It gives a repeated warning. Still, I want to delete. JavaScript has got deleted, and there is a small bit of a toast which will get removed automatically. Okay. So that is pretty much it, and you can let me know if you need to know how that